Hello, my dear student. So today we discuss a very important chapter for our NET exam. That is the neural system. We are following a very important books. You know that is the NCERT. And in the NCERT books, we are discuss this chapter in the line by line. So at first we are discuss the introduction. In the NCERT books, in the first paragraph is there. That is the introduction. But we are considered this is the most important paragraph also for our NET exam. But at first we are discussed that the coordination. Coordination, what is the mean by the coordination? That means the two or more organs interact each other. That time their function are dependent on another. This type of coordination is very important in our body. Suppose I give you example like you are doing the exercise. That time the energy demanded is increased, but how the demanding increase are fulfilled? By the maintaining the increasing the muscular activity. The muscular activity also be increased. That time the oxygen supply also be increased one by one. That is the right one by one interact in each step and increase the respiration rate or the breathing rate. On the other hand, if we are consider the heartbeat, blood flow also be the increase. So the circulatory system, the breathing system, the different system work together, right? And the coordination manner. But how this coordination manner are follow in our body? By the coordination system about the controlling system, right? But when the physical exercise are stopped, so what is happened now? Now the activities, all these increased activities are normalized, right? So another important some function like the nerve, like the lungs, like the kidney gradually return their normal condition when the physical exercise are stopped. So this is the very important step by which our coordination system work in our body. Now we are discuss the another important things. The neural system not only is there, another one that is the endocrine system. So neural system and endocrine system that jointly coordinate and integrate the all the activities in our body. So all the different organs, they are synchronized, act as a synchronized fashion. But how? The function of the neural system and the endocrine system. But what is the difference in the coordination point of view? The nutritional system, neural system or the nervous system, they provide an organized network. Point to point connection is there, but in this connection is very coordination are happening at a very quick manner. On the other hand, endocrine system also be act on the coordination, but they provide the chemical integration. But how? Through the hormones. And this is not so quick as like the nervous system, right? So this is the difference between the endocrine system and the nervous system according the coordination manner. That is also the important. But these two systems jointly coordinate, right? So this is the introductory paragraph is there in your NCERT books. I just discussed the every line and every word. So any questions are come from the NET, that is the NCERT books, right? So now we are discussing another important part, that is the 21.1, the neural system. Please you follow in the NCERT books. I just follow this line by line. But in the nervous system or the neural system, this is are composed of a highly specialized cell. In every organ, this is made up of cell, but the nervous system, they also the made up of special type of cell that is called the neurons. You already know that the neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. But how the neurons work, that is the most important things. At first, they detect, they receive and transmit the different kind of stimulus. That is a very interesting function of the neuron. You know, the neural system or nervous system not the similar in the all organism. If you consider the lower invertebrates like the hydra, you are just consider this like the hydra, this is the lower invertebrates, their neural system are very simple in nature. But the better organized, you can observe the nervous system in the insect. In the insect, the brain and the ganglia and some neural tissue is there, they work together for the nervous system. But in the human body, you know, our nervous system is so developed, and all the vertebrates, not all the human beings, the all vertebrates have the developed type of nervous system. So in that 21.1 from the NCERT books, we are just understand the nervous system. The unit is the neurons. Next of one, different organization is there. In the hydra, the very simple organization. Gradually, their system are better organized in the insect, and finally, the vertebrates have the well-developed type of neural system. So this is the very important and very easy part for the NEET. Thank you very much. If you like this video, so like this button and subscribe this channel if you are new in this channel. Thank you very much. And we are meeting the next video and the next some topic from the neural system. Thank you very much.